In this lesson, we're gonna create delete request to delete data from database. So here we're gonna define our route. It's gonna be app.delete. See this line? We can get it like this. The box and pass the ID as param and just add our async function. So here inside delete, we're gonna just add the route box with ID as route param and create our async function that take request and response. We're gonna create our try catch block. So it's try and it's catch. We can copy the catch block from above here like this. And inside try, first we need to access our ID from params. So let's copy this code here, this line here. Const ID equals to request.params. And we're gonna await this promise buck model dot find by ID and delete. And we're gonna just add the ID here. And finally, let's just return a message. So res.status 200.json. And we're gonna add a message here with buck deleted successfully. Now let's try to delete a buck. So let's go to Postman and let's create here a new request. This request is gonna be delete. So let's name it with delete buck. And inside this get, we're gonna just make it delete like this. And the endpoint is gonna be like the get by ID. It's gonna be HTTP localhost 3000 box. You have to make sure that this endpoint must be this endpoint here, okay? As I've mentioned before. Now, we can get this ID of this box. So if you press here, we can get it. But now, if you delete it, you're gonna see this message, buck deleted successfully. And if you try to get it by ID again, look, it's null because it's deleted. And if you press and if you try this request, get book list, you will not find it. Let's try to delete this also. This item without name or count in stock. So let's get the ID of it and paste it here and press send. Now it's successfully deleted. And if we try to get the list again, now look, we have only 3 bucks instead of 4. But if you press delete again, you will find this message, buck deleted successfully. So we want to add a message here. So we're gonna store this response in a constant. Let's name it deleted buck, okay? And we're gonna create an if condition. So if there is no deleted buck, we're gonna just return res.status 404, that's mean not found. And the message is gonna be buck not found. Now let's try to delete a deleted buck. So here in Postman, let's try to delete. Look, we got here a message, buck not found. And let's try to get it by ID. So if you press here, and instead of getting null, we want also to get this message, buck not found. So you can add the same code here. Make this condition. If you don't get the buck, just return this message. So we can just copy this code and go to get buck by ID. And we can paste those 3 lines here. But instead of this deleted buck, we're gonna just add this buck like this. Okay. Now, if we try our Postman again and press send, look, buck not found because it's deleted. Next lesson, we're going to learn how to edit a buck.